Unveiling the mystery, the lost wax technique explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of language and culture. Today, we're exploring a term that bridges both art and history, the lost wax technique. It's a process used in metal casting that has been around for thousands of years, and it's as intriguing as it sounds. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what it is and why it's so significant. The lost wax technique, also known as serre perdue, is an ancient method used for casting metal objects. It involves creating a replica of the desired object in wax, then covering the wax model with a heat-resistant material. Once the covering material hardens, the wax is melted and drained out, leaving behind a hollow mold. Molten metal is then poured into this mold to cast the object. Once the metal cools and solidifies, the outer mold is broken away, revealing the metal object. This technique has a rich history, dating back to over 5,000 years ago. It was used by ancient civilizations across the globe, including those in Egypt, Mesopotamia, China, and South America. The lost wax technique allowed artists to create detailed and intricate works, from jewelry to large statues, showcasing their craftsmanship and the cultural significance of their time. 1. Designing the wax model. Artists begin by sculpting their desired object in wax, paying close attention to detail. 2. Creating the mold. The wax model is then encased in a fire-resistant material, such as clay or plaster. 3. Removing the wax. Once the mold hardens, it is heated to melt and drain away the wax, which leaves a hollow cavity in the shape of the object. 4. Casting the metal. Molten metal is poured into the hollow mold and left to cool and harden. 5. Revealing the artwork. The outer mold is carefully removed to unveil the metal object, which is then polished and finished. The lost wax technique is celebrated for its ability to produce highly detailed and complex shapes that would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve with traditional metalworking methods. It has been used to create some of the most iconic works in art history, including statues, ornaments, and religious artifacts. This technique demonstrates the ingenuity and skill of ancient craftsmen and continues to be used by artists today. The lost wax technique is more than just a method for casting metal. It's a testament to human creativity and our enduring quest to express ourselves through art. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating process and its importance in both historical and contemporary contexts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into language and culture. See you in the next video.